Hello my dear students, a very good morning to you all. Today we will discuss another aspect of the future tense, that is the future continuous tense. Okay, we will be discussing future continuous tense, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. Okay. The future continuous tense. Okay, then what is the formation of the future continuous tense? Subject plus will be plus the fourth form of the verb, the ing form of the verb, subject plus will be plus the ing form of the verb or the V4. Now when do we use the future continuous tense? Okay, we use the future continuous tense to talk about ongoing actions in the future. Okay, the ongoing actions in the future. For example, at 2 p.m. tomorrow, I will be flying to the US. So, I'm talking about tomorrow. I'm talking about the future time. At 2 p.m. tomorrow, I subject plus will be plus V4, the ing form of the verb, right? By 2 p.m. tomorrow, that is in the future, tomorrow. By 2 p.m. tomorrow, I will be flying to the US. Okay, ongoing actions in the future. In 2 p.m. tomorrow, what will I be doing? Ongoing, what will I be doing? It is continuous, right? I will be flying to the US. Am I clear? The future continuous tense is also used to talk about fixed or routine events. Okay, fixed or routine events. For example, I will be staying at the Royal Hotel in the US. So, after I reach US, where will I be staying? I will be staying in the future, right? I have not reached US till now. Okay, I will be reaching US tomorrow, and after I reach US, I subject plus will be plus V4. I will be staying at the Royal Hotel in the US. Okay, so you can also say I am going to stay at the Royal Hotel in the US, right? Or I am going to stay in the Royal Hotel in the US. All the formations, you can use any of the future formations to express this particular sentence. Okay, I will be staying at the Royal Hotel in the US also is correct. I am going to stay at the Royal Hotel in the US is also correct. Okay, so since we are discussing the future continuous tense, subject plus will be plus the V4 form of the verb. I will be staying at the Royal Hotel in the US. I hope it is clear. Now let's talk about the future perfect and the future perfect continuous tense together. Let's make a comparison. Okay, now let us make a comparative study regarding the future perfect and the future perfect continuous tenses. Okay, now we're talking about future. Now when do we use the future perfect? Any of the perfect tenses, be it present perfect, past perfect or future perfect, we use it to express or to talk about completed action. We use the present perfect to talk about the completed action of the present. We use the past perfect to talk about completed action of the past, and we use the future perfect to talk about the completed actions in the future, the actions which will be completed in the future time. Okay, now let us understand the formation. Subject plus will have plus third form of the verb, the past participle form of the verb. Okay, now let's take an example. I will have completed the course by August. Okay, I subject plus will have plus completed third form of the verb, the course by August. So my course is not complete now. Okay, now it is the month of July. I will be completing the course in the month of August. So it will be a future action, right? So I will have complete by August. That means by next month only I will have complete. My course will be complete. Okay, I will have completed the course by August. Am I clear? I will have completed the course by August. Now my course is not complete. It will be completed by August. I will have completed, okay, the course by August. Here if you notice, the focus is on the course. We are talking about the course. I will have completed the course by August. We are talking about the course. Okay. Now in the future perfect continuous, just take this example. It will be clear for you if you make a comparative study. I will have been completing the course for 6 months by August. Alright. So by August, it will be already 6 months that I have completed the course. Okay, I will have been completing the course for 6 months by August. Here the focus is on time, for 6 months. I will have been completing the course for 6 months by August. It will be already 6 months that I have completed my course. I will have been completing the course for 6 months by August. Here focus is on time. So the future continuous tense is used for ongoing actions in the future with special emphasis to the duration, to the time. Formation is subject plus will have been plus verb. I, subject, plus will have been plus the V4 or the ing form. Okay, I will have been completing the course for 6 months by August. Okay, focus is on time, focus is on the duration. Here I will have completed the course by August. The focus is on the course. Okay, now these two tenses is not used very frequently in speaking. Okay, and it is used little bit while writing, but not so much while we speak. Okay. Thank you. I hope you have understood. We have completed the entire tense series, right? If you have any doubt, please ask me. Do ask me in the comment box, or you can also ask me in the WhatsApp group that we have. And please do ask for doubts, okay? And do check the videos, right? Thank you and have a nice day.